In today's video, I'll teach you how to update Axis Bank app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. So updating the Axis Bank app is very important if you want to access smoother performance and new features. Additionally, it will also help you fix the bugs. So what you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Axis Mobile. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Axis Mobile and tap on it. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for update. Tap on it, wait for a while and the application will be updated. Once the app is updated, instead of update option, you'll be able to see the option for open. That means now you'll be able to use the latest version of the app. So like this, you'll be able to update Axis Mobile app. So that is how you update Axis Mobile application. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.